guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a tablescape. It's a collaboration with Thrift Queen. It's Hop into Spring. Check out her channel and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy my tablescape. Thanks for watching. Necklace on the napkin, and here's a Pier 1 saucer, and I used a Dollar Tree plate. So I just kept it simple, used what I had. This is from the Dollar Tree Lemon series. Alright, and so I have a thrift store china set, which was just $10. And so I just used what I had and just added flowers to it. And jewelry. So thank you for enjoying my tablescape.